In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use macros in Zendesk. Whether you're an experienced Zendesk user or just getting started, understanding how to leverage macros can significantly streamline your workflow and save you a lot of time. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to apply macros efficiently and with confidence in the Zendesk Agent workspace. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the ticket that you're currently working on in the Agent workspace. This is your central hub for managing customer interactions, so having it open is the first step to executing any task you need, including applying macros. Now, once you have your ticket open, take a look at the bottom of your screen and find the lightning bolt icon. This icon is the Apply Macro button, the key tool you'll use today. Clicking on this icon will allow you to either search for or browse through your existing macros. If you're already a pro at using Zendesk, there's a shortcut for quicker access. Just type the / and this will instantly open up the macro options for you, which is a real time saver. Next, you'll want to select a macro. Depending on how many macros you have, you might need to scroll through a list or enter keywords to find what you're looking for. Once you've identified the macro that suits your needs, click on it. A preview will appear, showing the actions that this macro will apply to your ticket. These actions can include a preset response, status change, or specific tags that relate to your workflow. After reviewing the preview, if everything looks good, go ahead and click Apply. This will automatically populate your ticket form with the actions indicated by the macro you've selected. It's at this stage that you can really see how macros can change the game. They take care of the repetitive tasks and ensure consistency, allowing you to focus on providing more personalized support where it counts. Before you finalize, it's important to review the changes that have been made by the macro. You can customize any aspect if you need to add a personal touch or make adjustments specific to this particular ticket. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, the last step is to hit Submit. This will apply all the changes you've made to the ticket, ensuring your responses are consistent and efficient. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your productivity with macros in Zendesk. By mastering these simple steps, you can handle customer interactions with greater speed and accuracy, ultimately improving the overall experience for both you and the customer. Don't forget to check out the rest of our channel for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of Zendesk and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and happy macroing!